What's up, guys? I welcome you once again in my YouTube channel. It's called forexprofittrade.com, and today we're going to talk about seven deadly sins of trading. I believe that once you are a beginner, when you start to trade, and where it's a crucial time that you decided that you're going to continue or not, most of the people commit these sins. And when they commit these sins, they get disappointed, they get discouraged, they see that trading is not for them. If you avoid this seven deadly sin which I'm going to talk about today, then you surely become a profitable trader. You make consistent profit from the market. It's not because trading is difficult or it is complex that very few people do it successfully. It is because of the knowledge that most of the people don't know what trading is all about. Most of the people have wrong expectation. So if you are well informed, if you are educated in terms of trading, then and once you avoid the mistakes that most of the people do, then you can easily make money from trading. Then you can start to acquire traders mindset. First deadly sin that most of the people commit, most of the beginner commit, sometimes professional trader commit, is emotion. They become emotionally attached to the trade. Trading is something that you have to execute no matter what. If your system or strategy give you a buy signal, then you must go for the trade. If your system tells you to wait, then you must wait no matter how tempting the trade look. If your system tells you to sell, then you should sell according to the system. Your system is going to decide. It's the deciding factor that you're going to buy, you're going to sell, or you're going to wait on a sideline. So this is your system. So what happened once you enter a trade, and I have been to that position where I was struggling to really execute what system wants tells me. Then what happened that your system gives you a green signal. It tells you that you should buy now. You bought the stock at this point. This is the entry point, and your stock, your pair is start to go up, okay, and suddenly it start to go down. Then what happened that most of the people who are new to the trading, they don't want to lose. So they what they will do, that they have the stop loss set here, but they will move the stop loss and they will set it lower because they are scared that their stop loss will might hit, and they move it. They start to lower the stop loss, lower it again and again and again, and the prices start to tank, and at last they hit your stop loss. Now what's happening between is that where you are just uh, your risk reward ratio is 1:2, where you're losing just 1% of your account. Now it because of you are emotionally attached to the trade, you're losing 3 or 4% of your account. So this is really devastating. This is really something that you must avoid. Also what happened that when you start when you're in the trade, and when the trade start to favor you, what happened that you become afraid that it will go down from here, and you take profit before the trade hits your target profit. So again it will ruin your risk and reward ratio, which is not good sign for a trader. Okay, you let your emotion here take over you, and you decide to take profit here, and the trade start to go up and up and up and up, and you are very angry to yourself that why you have done that. Just because of fear you exit early. Most of the people, what they do also is that when the trades start to favor them, they start to take their target profit, okay, further up. They become greedy, and because of that what happens is that where you have set your target profit, because it's set in a level where the prices start to change the direction, and what happened that your the pair hit that position, and they start to reverse. Now it's going down, and because you become so greedy and you change your target profit, now where this trade can give you a profit on the trade, now it's hit your stop loss. So we all face this kind of situation in our life when we are start to trade, and you must aware that you don't get emotionally attached to any of your trade, because once you do that, you are not becoming a trader, you become becoming a gambler. You are emotionally attached, you don't believe in your system, you don't believe on yourself, you don't believe that you are a good trader. So remove that scarcity from your mind. Don't be afraid to take a trade. Understand that every system has to go through a losing period. Not every system is 100% perfect. You are not 100% perfect, then you cannot expect your system to be 100% perfect. You have to understand that loss are the part of the game, and once you lose, you take swallow your pride and move on and try again. That's how you're going to become a profitable trader. I'm going to talk about 6 other deadly sin in the different video, because this is the biggest reason that most of the people lose their money. And I believe that after this video, you will not become emotionally attached to your trade, because being a successful trader is very different than being just a trader. And I want you to become a successful trader. I want you to make a consistent profit. So guys, I will see you on the next video. Until then, goodbye.